Hello everyone, welcome to the SQL course. In this course, you will learn how to work with data using SQL. This is one of the most important skills in data analytics, business intelligence, software development, and in data science. SQL is the foundational tool that you must know. You want to become a data analyst, business analyst, data engineer, or a software development, or just you improve your data skills. SQL is must. SQL is structured query language that is used to store data, retrieve data, filter data, update data, and also to analyze the data that is stored in various databases. We can think it as a language that is used to communicate with databases in various RDBMS. RDBMS means Relational Database Management Systems. Before moving ahead, we should know how databases store data in an organized manner. In databases, tables are used to store data in organized manner. On the screen, we can see 6 tables are used. These 6 tables are connected to each other. And these tables stores data of employees of an organization. Here, tables are used to store data of employees, their department manager, their department, their titles, their salaries, and also the department employees. These tables are related to each other through some keys. And these interrelated tables are then stored in the databases so that we can retrieve the data or analyze the data easily and fast. How the tables stores the data? Tables uses rows and columns to store the data. The first row is known as the header row. It stores the column name, fields, or the attribute. And below are the rows that stores the records, or these records are also called the rows or the tuples. And the values that are stored in these rows are called the column values or the data items. This is like a spreadsheet that we use in Excel. Now we know what are the databases and the tables that are used in the databases to store data. Now we should know what are the most popular or the commonly used databases that are used in the industry. They are MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and SQLite. All of them use SQL, and the 95% of the syntax is same that all of these databases use. Only there is 5% difference that can be managed. In our lectures, we will use SQL Server. In the next lecture, we will see how the installation of the server is done. This is all for this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Also press the bell icon to get notification for more videos.